Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's daily market review. It's the 5th of April 2021, and this is Mohanad Yaoud, Head of Market Research at CJC Markets in the MENA region. As usual, let's have a quick look on the markets today to know what we are having. What do we have on our agenda? What does the technical analysis tell us on the charts? So please stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone, and let's start by having a quick look on the US dollar index, which is basically still moving in the retracement from the last upward move. So we reached the highs at just around 93.43 points, and we're having a retracement back to 92.83, currently just around the 93 points level on the US dollar index. Basically, on the 30 minutes time frame, did have this move downward, an upward correction, another move downward, and it seems that we're at the moment we're trying to form a new higher high along with a new higher low. So this might be an indication that the correction on the US dollar index already did end, and we'll be heading higher one more time to test the highs just around this one, which is 90 we might be having the correction or the upward move just to 93.33, and then the highest high on the 93.43 zone. So it seems that we have already finished the correction on the dollar index. However, this bullish scenario through the day is basically on the table as long as we are trading just above this key level of 92.83. We touched this key level here on this candle, and again the same exact level on this candle, this high volatility candle, basically reached this 92.83, and then we headed higher one more time. So this is the key level for today. As long as we're trading higher, we will be having an upward move to 93.30 and then 93.40 during the day. So we are basically bullish on the dollar index during the day. Let's have another look on the gold trading, currently at 1727. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that it's a clear sideways move. We have two lows just around the 1680 and two highs just around the 1750. What we're having at the moment is an upward move, a brilliant one, with a minor correction here and another minor correction here. So we are expecting a continued move to the upside on gold trading. However, we need first to break above the 1730. So if during the day we did move above 1730, we will definitely be targeting 1750 zone on the 4-hour time frame, which is just around here. That's the movement that could happen during the day on gold trading, and this could be a brilliant opportunity of 200 pips to the upside. However, as long as we're trading below the 1730, we might be able to continue the retracement to the downside, or maybe move in a sideways manner for the dollar to have an upward move. So we will just be watching the gold trading during the day. Our key level is 1730. Once we are above it, a confirmed move to the upside is guaranteed to 1750, and that's on the gold trading. Let's have another look on oil. The US oil, after basically OPEC meeting, surprised the markets. We did have an easing of the output cuts, but actually at the moment we're still having a sideways move just around the 6130 and the 58. On the 30 minutes time frame, we're having this some sort of higher low inside this sideways range. So technically this could mean that we will be heading higher or break higher above the sideways move. However, due to the easing of the output cuts, we might basically ignore this false signal technically, and we might be able to continue lower during the day. However, our key thing is we need a confirmed break below the exponential moving average on the 30 minutes time frame. The 200 exponential moving average, currently just around the 60.50. As soon as we just break below this $60.50 per barrel, we'll be able to move lower and basically target the lows just around the 58 or the 59 zone. That's what we're having on the US oil during the day. However, on the opposite side, if we did have a move higher, we will be testing this high of $62. Of course, a break to the upside should continue the move in a new upward trend. However, this fundamentally is not so supported at the moment. So let's watch the oil trading technically also as well as fundamentally. So having another look on the US Dow Jones, it's basically a brilliant move to the upside. We did manage to break above the previous two highs, just around the 33,200. We did have a higher high on the 30 minutes time frame. It's basically an uptrend at the moment. So what we are expecting is basically a continued move to the upside. However, we should watch the Dow Jones at this level whenever we come back to test the 33,200. In case we did move lower or below the 33,200 one more time, this should be a false breakout here. On the 4-hour time frame, we are basically having a negative divergence. So yes, it's an upward move, however, it's not supported by momentum. So personally, I would prefer to see the Dow Jones go lower or below this 33,200 one more time, and to go lower or below the 200 exponential moving average for me to start having a bearish view on the Dow Jones. But currently at the moment, this is an upward move that basically is not so supported by momentum, so it's not the best thing that we could buy at the moment. We will be watching the Dow Jones on the 33,200 levels one more time whenever we come back to it, and basically markets will come back to it. So that was all for today's daily market review. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay safe.
CJC Markets is a leading global financial institution that has granted a derivatives issuer license issued by the Financial Markets Authority New Zealand. CJC Markets has a wide range of products, latest technology platform, and eminent customer service. CJC Markets offers superior execution, competitive spreads, and low transaction costs. CJC Markets. Smart trading. Smart